Hey, Baba bless my family, bless my enemies, bless everybody, together we be smiling.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing wonderful today, and today we're talking about hair products and hair tools quickly, and hopefully I'll have a hair care accessories videos coming up. And so yeah, so without further ado, I'm going to show you quick products that I've been using and tools, and all links to shop down below and on my blog. Questions, comments, I'd love to hear from you. So there you go, let's get started. Voilà, salut à tous. Aujourd'hui on parle des produits pour cheveux, surtout cheveux crépus. Donc je vous donne mon opinion sur les produits et quelques outils que j'utilise, et voilà, tout lien pour achat comme d'habitude sous la barre d'infos et sur mon blog, et on y va. Alright guys, let's get started. Another protein treatment that I got is from Palmer's. It's a Palmer Moisture Boost Protein Pack. I like this one. It's very lightweight, good enough to use for my hair at least twice. I've used this on my daughter's hair, and actually it did very well with, you know, absorbing into her hair. So if you're looking for that, this will be good. So it is moisturizing. It does restore dry damaged hair, I think. So again, this is an OG brand, something quick for on the go, even if we're traveling without having to commit. This is not bad. I think for me, I will use this once, but for my daughter I could use it a couple of times. So there you go. Next product I tried is of course Patent Beauty, and this is the gel. I've been using this for wash and goes for my daughter during this past summer. Nothing innovative here. She is expensive, but again at Target you get discounts, so I got this. They do have like a gift set at Sephora that makes it more affordable. I might try more. I might try different things because that allows me to try in time without having to commit to anything. But you know, I got it to support a Black business owner, and because she's an actress, so why not? There you go. Nothing innovative. It does the job. If you want to do a wash and go, there you go. This one it's a medium hold. I do agree with that. It's not a tight hold. It's not a crazy hold. It's medium. It's not gonna last you forever. So keep that in mind. Next thing I want to talk about is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Really nice. This right here, I use this once on my hair. I got it for free at Sephora. Again, I redeemed my point. Very good. Okay, absorbs so great into my hair. I was so impressed. Wow. I can actually comb my hair with this. It says to leave it for 10 minutes. I actually left it overnight. So this is actually pretty good, even if you're a woman of color. I'm actually impressed. Okay, so there you go. I actually want to try the Olaplex line, and I think the Adwoa beauty line from Sephora as well. So but this is not bad. Of course I'm going to intervene with INFLUENSTER. I really wanted to try the line Redken. They've talked about it so much, and this, you know, of course they sent me something to review for you guys. I actually used these on both me and my daughter, and so there you go. This is the new thing that they have going on here. So this just tells me what I have to do, you know, for this campaign. And guys, this is actually so good. This is the Redken 5th Avenue NYC All Soft Shampoo, and this is pH balance with argan oil, 2% moisture complex. Love the packaging. And this is the All Soft Conditioner, and this is also pH balance with argan oil and 5% moisture complex. Okay, I don't know if it's because I blow dry my hair before I had done my hair. Washing my hair was a breeze with this. Okay, it was such a breeze. If you wanted to try this, I would say give it a try. My hair was a breeze to wash. Again, I don't know if it's because I had blow dried my hair like 5 weeks prior or something, so my hair wasn't as tangled. It was very easy to wash, very easy to condition. I enjoyed it. So there you go. After I washed my hair, I actually used this as a dip treatment. So there you go. And the next thing I tried is the Uncle's Funky's Daughter brand. The people have been talking about this a lot. This is the ultimate kinky and curly travel kit. Great for the summer. Great size. Again, this is great enough to try it and see if you like it. You don't have to commit. Great for traveling. You get a nice bag. I really can't complain. So this is it right here. I still have the gel left. Very nice gel, soft holds. Again, this is the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. Okay, right there. This one is not done yet, and it smells so good. Very hydrating. This one is the extra butter curl forming cream. Okay, this one is the leave-in revitalizer, which is done. I like it because it's in a spray form. And this one is the midnight train leave-in conditioner. This is not done yet, but yeah, these are good. So there you go. If you want to try this brand, I got it at Target. Again, there's always sales over there, so you can definitely have options. So there you go. I love this for me, especially for like getting my hair ready when I want to get it braided. Just the one thing with this is you do need to do a heat spray. I've talked about the Pantene Gold series ones. It wasn't bad. You can try that, but you do need to use this on low heat. High heat will burn your hair, okay? So definitely, it's very powerful, okay? And your electric outlet, power outlet needs to be strong as well. If not, it will like blow up the fuse. So this is so amazing. Use it on medium to low heat. And I have this brush right here that I use to clean it when I'm done, which you do need to do. And I actually been trying the hot commodity heat protecting spray from TARAJI Pantene, I believe. This was the old bottle. I got the new one, just supporting a black woman, and I really like this. Very, very moisturizing, interesting formula before you blow dry. So there you go. All right, you guys, this is another not so bad keratin based heat protecting spray for your hair with marula oil from TRESemmé. This is something new. Only thing is I don't like the packaging. It leaks a lot, so I'm actually gonna move it into a different bottle. But again, this is another option that you can try. Or you can try the Pantene Gold series ones. That's also great. Another hair dryer type that you might want to try from Amazon is this. I've talked about it before. This will be good to like diffuse your hair if you want to do that kind of blowout with your kinky curly hair for the summer or the winter. So this is not bad. It's the closest thing to the Dyson one, but I will be getting the Dyson one once I can use my coupons at Sephora or Ulta. But I just wanted to show you guys again what comes with it so you can kind of see. These adapters don't stay put. That's my only thing with this, but you know, maybe it's just me, but this is pretty good until I buy the Dyson one, so you guys can kind of see what it entails. It's like 30 bucks, not bad. So there you go. And I like the color. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. I might have a quick hair accessories videos coming up if I can. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to praise God, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Ciao, bye guys, God bless.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.